Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a complete WordPress website without using Elementor, and instead we'll use Divi from Elegant Themes to design a beautiful professional website easily, even if you're a complete beginner. If you felt overwhelmed by Elementor or just want a simpler visual way to build your site, Divi is a premium WordPress theme and visual builder that lets you design your pages visually in real time. Instead of having to work with clunky theme settings or a rigid page structure, Divi allows you to build your entire site by adding sections, rows, and modules while seeing exactly what your visitors will see. I've added a link in the description where you can get Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price, so feel free to check that out. To get started, you'll first download the Divi theme file from your Elegant Themes account after purchasing. Log into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes. You will see the default theme currently active. To install Divi, visit the link in the description to reach Elegant Themes. On their site, find Unlock the Power of Divi and click on Join Today. You can choose between a yearly or lifetime license. Elegant Themes also offers a 30-day risk-free trial. After purchasing, download the Divi zip file from your account on Elegant Themes. Back in WordPress, click Add New under Themes, then choose Upload Theme. Select the Divi zip file and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to activate Divi on your site. Now that Divi is active, go to the WordPress dashboard, click Pages, then Add New. Name the page, for example, Home, and click Use Divi Builder. You will see three options: build from scratch, use a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. For beginners, it's easier to start with a pre-made layout. Click Browse Layouts, select a category like Business, and look through the templates. Pick a template and click Use this layout. Log in with your Elegant Themes username and API key, then click Submit. The template will load, and you can begin customizing it. The Divi Builder is made up of three main elements: sections, rows, and modules. A section is a large horizontal block that holds content. Inside each section, you can add rows. Each row can then hold modules. A module is a piece of content, such as text, an image, a button, or a video. By combining these elements, you can create almost any kind of layout. To start editing a page, hover over the part of the page you want to change. You will see a small menu appear with icons. One of them is a gear icon. Click it to open the settings for that section, row, or module. This is where you can change the content and the design. For example, if you click on a text module, you can change the text, font, color, size, spacing, and more. Everything is updated in real time, so you can see what your changes look like before saving. To change images, click on the Image module, then upload a new image or select one from your media library. You can also add alt text, set image alignment, and choose how the image behaves on mobile devices. Divi makes it easy to optimize your design for different screen sizes. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views while editing. That helps you make sure your website looks good on all devices. Changing colors is very simple in Divi, and it's one of the easiest ways to personalize your website and make it match your brand. Whether you want to change the background color of a section, the font color of your text, or even the color of buttons and borders, Divi makes it easy. All of these options are available in the Design tab of each module, row, or section you're working with. Once you click into the Design tab, you'll see color settings that come with a built-in color picker. This lets you choose from preset colors or manually select the exact shade you want using a full spectrum color wheel. You can also enter hex codes or RGB values if you want to use specific brand colors. In addition to solid colors, Divi also allows you to add more visual interest with gradients, where you can blend two or more colors together for a smooth transition effect. Fonts in Divi can be fully customized. You can choose from hundreds of fonts, adjust the size, spacing, line height, and even add shadow effects. This is useful when you want your website to match your brand style or stand out visually. Divi also gives you control over spacing and alignment. You can add padding and margin to any section, row, or module. Padding is the space inside the element, and margin is the space outside it. These controls help you create more breathing room around your content or align things exactly how you want them. You can easily add buttons with Divi. Use the button module and type in your button text. Then set the link where you want the button to go. You can also customize the button's color, font, border, and hover effects. You can even create different button styles for normal and hover states. That way, when someone moves their mouse over the button, it changes color or style. Adding videos is just as easy. Use the video module and either upload a video file or paste a link from YouTube or Vimeo. You can control the video size, aspect ratio, and playback settings. You can even set a cover image so the video does not load right away, which can help improve your site's speed. Divi has built-in animations and transitions that you can add to any module. These effects can make your site feel more dynamic and engaging. You can fade elements in, slide them from different directions, or zoom them in. You can also control when the animation starts and how long it lasts. If you want to build more advanced layouts, you can use columns inside your rows. For example, you can have one row with two columns, one for text and the other for an image. You can adjust the width of the columns and stack them differently on mobile. This gives you flexibility in how you organize your content. Divi comes with many pre-made layouts and templates. These are full-page designs that you can load with one click. You can then replace the content with your own. This saves time and helps you get started even if you are not sure how you want the page to look. You can browse layouts by category, such as business, education, or portfolio. Saving your work in Divi is very easy. After making changes, click the button at the bottom of the page and press Save. This updates the live version of your website. If you make a mistake, you can use the Undo button or go back to an earlier version using the History feature. Divi also lets you duplicate any section, row, or module. This is useful when you want to reuse a design element without recreating it from scratch. You can also copy styles from one module and paste them to another. This helps keep your design consistent and speeds up your workflow. Now that you've seen how easy it is to edit your WordPress site with Divi, why not take your designs to the next level? Divi is super flexible, beginner-friendly, and honestly fun to use once you get the hang of it. If you'd like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, check out a link in the description below so you can grab it directly from Elegant Themes and start building your site today.